Coming on to kiss your cheek. Won't you know I'm coming home? Christmas Eve for you and me. Well, I'm coming home for Christmas. Coming home to kiss your cheek. Well, I'm coming home for Christmas. Christmas Day is coming soon.
Get some live music.
Christmas Day is coming soon. Christmas made for me and you. Who's naughty and nice? Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you run out of good so bad. What's it do to tell sounds like you?
Oh, this one's pretty cool. So we got some lights all hanging through, and you just kind of go for a walk, I guess. So I think Riley's almost done with pictures, and we're about 10 feet into this thing. So I think that's kind of funny. These are just all like lights frames, so that people can take pictures inside the light frames. That's a tongue twister for me, anyway. So the next spot we're walking to is the snowman section. Riley's been pretty excited to get into the snowman's belly, so in she goes. And that's pretty cool.
Good job.
So they have the mailbox set up as a selfie stand, so that you can get a family photo instead of just swapping out in and out all the time. So these ones are like little things you can sit on and swing. Pretty cool. Lots of different colors. Just being a little silly today. Well, she's found Santa's sleigh.
We'll see how busy it is, honey, okay?
So now we're in line to do the glow train. So this is it, coming at us here now. They're training on the job. They just took out their garden. Well,
He looks terrified.
Yeah.
What do you think it looks like? Is it a light bulb?
Annie's just waiting for the popcorn.
This was Riley's favorite thing last time we came. I got a feeling like she's good to go. There she goes.
I don't think it's my favorite size.
Got my feet off the ground.
Oh! Oh!
Come on, Mira, let's go this way.
She said, look, Dad. It's Cinderella's carriage. Well, there we are. All in all, I think it's pretty cool what they can do with the Christmas lights and everything else. But I find the organization here a little bit rough. So to start off, we ended up waiting about 40 to 45 minutes to get in. And then once in, it just, there's been no real flow to it. And then we tried to wait for the train. If you guys noticed in the video, we haven't got to the train because they had two different people try and jump in and learn how to ride the train while we were in line, both of which crashed into the garden section. So we chose not to go on that. And then while trying to get food, it was just kind of a runaround. There she goes. Ready for the next section, Ryan? Can you make a heart with your hand, Ryan?
Christmas tree at the mall. Have a fabulous holiday season, everyone. And we hope to see you soon.
You want to go next week? We
We got quite the setups here. Got a stack of presents. There's some heart candy canes. She really likes these swing hammock things. Whoa! Huh. Oh, there's Disney Mom. Am I your present?
No, yeah.
Oh, I gotta get out your present.
Fix your band. Fix your band.
Where are you going? She's going to the castle. So now we come into Funland. We have like bouncy castles, some arcade games. The really cool one that I've seen, it's called Hippo Chowdown, which to me is just hungry hippos, but they actually attach kids to it, so it's a pretty cool concept. And this one's like a circus one. You go through the obstacle course in the circus.
Oh wait, but this looks cool. Let's go.
And then over here they got a big glow party ball pit for kids to jump in.